Let's look at how tow service appointments work. There will be two additional statuses added to the service appointments. These are in tow and tow complete. The service appointments will flow just like the other appointments. Also, there will be two appointments shown on the Gantt chart, which we'll see shortly. And, lastly, payments are often associated with tow service appointments. We'll see what that looks like in field service. Here are the two appointments for a tow service call. Let's point out one thing first. This tow call is a COD. We know this because of the dollar signs. A non-COD call would look like this. Without the dollar signs. Let's continue. The first appointment is the breakdown appointment. And the second appointment is the tow appointment. You'll always know a tow appointment by the link symbol. And tow appointments are always in pairs, with the same call ID number. Let's hover over each of the service appointments to learn more about them. This breakdown appointment box displays the call ID number. The status of the service appointment. For tow calls, this will either be the breakdown appointment or the tow appointment. Since we hovered over the breakdown appointment, that is what is shown here. This is the work type. For tow calls, this will either be passenger tow or flatbed tow. This is the call type. This allows you to quickly see if the call is a collision, accident assist, public agency, RAP, or member call. This is our member's information. And vehicle type. This is the promised time of arrival to our member. These are the field service, calculated start and finish times, for only the breakdown appointment. And, lastly, this is the travel time to the tow destination, from the driver's current location. The driver's travel times will always be depicted by this black line, before and after the service appointment blocks. Remember, field service routed this call to this driver, based on the driver's current location. With the least amount of travel, and the vehicle skill set. If we hover our mouse over the tow appointment, this tow appointment box will display. For comparison reasons, we'll keep the breakdown appointment displayed. The differences between the two boxes will be in the subject line. Another difference is the city and street. The breakdown appointment displays the location of the breakdown. The tow appointment shows the location of where the vehicle will be towed to. The start and finish times are based on the times at the breakdown appointment, and the times at the tow to location. The travel to times will be different as well. The travel to, for the tow appointment, is the travel time from the breakdown location to the tow to location. The travel from time is the time to travel from the tow to location back to the driver's facility. Let's watch the progression of this tow service appointment. Remember to keep an eye on the red timeline in the Gantt chart. The call is in dispatched status, meaning the driver has received the service appointment on their tablet. The driver is now en route. Once on location, field service will automatically update the driver's status. But the driver should always verify on their tablet that the status was updated. If not, then they should update on their own. After the vehicle is loaded, then the driver will update their status to in tow. After the driver has arrived at the tow destination, and before the vehicle is unloaded, the status must be updated to tow complete. After the vehicle is unloaded, the driver can clear the service appointment on their tablet. The tow appointment is now complete. Let's see what the service appointment and work order look like for a tow appointment. You want to double-click on either of the tow service appointments. This is the service appointment tab. Notice that there is a money symbol here. This is making us aware that there is payment required from our member. Notice that the actual start time has been populated. The reason for this is because the driver has completed the call. This actual start represents the time the driver placed himself on location at the breakdown appointment. Next, we'll click on the Work Order tab. The majority of what you will do in field service will always be through the Work Order tab. Next, we'll click on the Work Orders Expand icon. Notice, the payment required icon is displayed here as well. And, the two tow service appointments are shown here. The first is the breakdown appointment and the second is the tow appointment. That's all there is to understanding tow appointments.